If you want to come into this as a victim, you're going to see everything and you're a victim to it. The way I teach, you're victimizing the unlearned. You're victimizing the neophyte. They don't know how to fucking trade. They put their stop loss in the wrong place. We're running on them. We're not running in a pack like a wild animals, okay? Trying to find whatever moves next. That's reacting to price. Fuck that. We are a cheetah. We know we can run any fucking thing down. We can run anything down. Put whatever fuck you want to put in front of us, whatever method out there, we will run circles around that shit. Nothing can fucking beat what I'm telling you. Nothing can beat this. Nothing. If it could, it would have came. It's never come. You are a cheetah stalking in the high grass. And there's a herd out there. They think they're safe because they're close. They're all doing the same thing, eating the grass. They're hanging around, same people, doing the same shit. Harmonic, retail, Elliott wave shit. You're the cheetah. You're sitting out there in the long grass. You're just waiting. You're just waiting and waiting and waiting. And you see that one gazelle just takes a step too far out and puts his stop loss right there. Easy for the taking. The herd is going to move away, but that one animal that doesn't know what it's doing, it doesn't shift when it should. And now there's a fair value gap. In 72 miles an hour, in seconds, your ass is there pouncing on it. That's what I'm envisioning in price. Do I know that person that's losing money? No. Do I know the person that has all their hopes and expectations of making money on that trade? Do I know them? Am I going to see them? No. Am I worried about them? No. Do I feel bad that they lost money? No. I have to eat. You have to eat. Everybody signs the same risk disclosures when you come into this market. Everybody understands that you can lose and lose more than you have. I have no qualms about it, period. It's the way it is. It's a jungle out here. You either are prey or you're a predator. I don't walk around or teach my students to be a lamb. This is the way it is, folks. You have to have teeth and you have to have claws. And you need to know when to use them and how to use them. You want to come in here and play the nice guy role and everybody, is going to love you and you never say anything wrong or never off color or whatever. The bottom line is, that's not what this is. This is fucking war. We're talking about money, real money, lots of it, and major entities out there that do not want you to be doing this successfully. They're going to roll on that. And I'm teaching you how to beat the fuck out of that, okay? Consistently.
Alrighty, chat. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Say what's up in the chat. Don't be shy. Hit the like button before we get started if you would be ever so kind. Good morning, Roger. Good morning, Tony. FOMO. Tyler, good morning. Debbie, good morning. Jabril. Andrash. Hindsight King. Steelers. Tony. Oscar. Michael. Ali. Nakib. Felix. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Can you guys hear me okay? Felix says I'm silent. I definitely should not be silent. Good morning, guys. What's up, Dylan? Kookie, good morning. Just give me a confirmation on the sound check, chat. Give me a confirmation on the sound check. Let me know, or sound check. Let me know that we're good to go. I don't gotta re-add my mic or something. All right, I'm assuming you guys can hear me fine. All right. All right, we should be good to go. Cool, cool, cool. All right, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. We got 2 minutes here until market opens up, so we'll go ahead and jump in. I guess first and foremost, economic calendar today. We have PMI news at 9:45. So we do have more red folder news incoming. We have orange folder news at 10 o'clock with manufacturing index. So we will see what kind of impact that wants to have. Let me turn the music down a little bit. And yeah, man, so we did not ever get too much movement yesterday out of the, obviously the range that we created after the pump. So I don't know if you guys continued trying to trade yesterday or not. If you did, it was probably not the easiest time, but now here we are. So just to kind of recap, guys, the thought process with where we could be headed from here is really going to be the fact that we've retraced with that pump yesterday morning up to OTE of this range, taking out these internal highs, respecting still this 4-hour inefficiency here to the left and 4-hour breaker. So I'm still bearish, and I did want to see price return and maybe take another swipe above this high, but it's looking like we might not get that. So this might be looking for a continuation lower already. We'll see. But that was kind of the overall bias for myself after the pump yesterday. So we'll have to see what happens. Like I said, we got news 15 minutes into open. So we're probably going to be waiting on that, if I'm being honest. I'm usually liking to wait for the first 15 minutes to pass anyway. So that is probably going to be what we do here. The only thing would be like if we were to get like a sweep, I could see a scenario, I feel like, where we sweep below the low to the left, tag in this OTE, this deeper OTE discount, right? Sweep this low out, and then we see a rally above like all of these internal highs that were left. First, I could see a scenario like that though. Like I don't want to say that that would be an impossibility either. So we'll have to just see how we react. If we get like a quick move down here at the open, take out this low. Did we take it out already? We did take it out already on ES, I guess, and Dow. But that'd be kind of the alternative thinking. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Oh, we missed the opening bell. Shoot. Hang on. Hang on. It's never too late, boys. It's it's never too late. Good morning, guys. Less than a minute into the open here. And yeah, we'll have to just see what price wants to do. Yeah, I see the bullish SMT. I didn't see it right away, but I see that we've taken that out on ES. I still think it's likely that we could get that drive down though if we want to give this move up. But yeah, this is just kind of the reason for bullishness. I would say would be all of this internal range trendline liquidity that we have built up here as a strong possibility. Chat. What's the bias got today? We 62% bullish. Oh shit. 62% bullish. Guys. That's pretty tilted, I'm not going to lie. 62% bullish, 29% bearish, 9% chop city. All right, I guess we'll see. I guess we shall see. Oh man. Nothing like that first cup of Joe in the morning. Isn't that right, chat? Son of a gun. That's the good stuff. That is the good stuff. All right, let's drop down to the 5. I'm going to go to micros, I guess. So yeah, SMT at this low currently. Not really getting too big of a reaction here off open, to be honest. All I know is 62% of the chat is bullish. So do with that information what you will today, boys and girls. You feel the need to change now to bearish. I know it. What the heck? What the heck? But yeah, I did not see any other news come out. I thought I heard someone say yesterday that, I think that might have been a fake headline though. Like we were talking about yesterday, it's like half the posts and headlines you read on Twitter these days is like just totally fake and made up just to rage bait people. I did see a headline last night that I thought that said that United States did indeed start attacking Iran's power plant facilities, but I don't think that was legit. Seek and destroy? I don't think we'll get seek and destroy today. I do think it's reasonable to think that we could just kind of chop around until PMI news. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, chat? Because there's one thing that we do know for certain.
They don't know what the fuck they're doing. Do you understand that?
This is meme coin trading, boys. Welcome to the meme coin, which is NASDAQ. What's up, Attican? Good morning, Hassan. How we doing? How we doing? Yesterday had a massive loss. How do you deal with these kind of days? And how do you bounce back? You had a massive loss. How do you deal with these kind of days and bounce back? How do I want to answer that? I feel like there's two ways I could go about answering that question. But I mean, how do you deal with those kind of days? You kind of just have to suck it up. It sucks, you know what, but what are you going to do? Quit? You pull yourself up by your bootstraps. All right? You dust yourself off. You make yourself another cup of coffee. And you fucking get back to it, all right? You learn from your mistakes. You be self-critical. You don't blame the market. You don't blame anyone else. You blame yourself. And then you get ready to get your lick back on this son of a bitch we call the market. That's what you do. All right? We don't got time to sit here and complain and cry. Nobody feels sorry for any of us when we lose. Nobody feels sorry for you. All right? You got this, Frexy. Come on. Come on. This shit ain't for the weak. You know what? You're built different. You're built different, aren't you, Frexy? Yeah. Yeah, you're built different. They wouldn't understand, would they? No, they wouldn't. Hope that helps. Blame everyone, never accept defeat. It's always someone else's fault. Yeah, just blame Israel. But yeah, funny enough, Frexy, that actually is really all you can do. Learn from it. Try to learn from it. Take all the blame and accountability you can, because if you don't do that, then you're not going to get better. And you move on. Girlfriend's fault, and she gets a taste of that as well. Yeah, just go take it out on the wife and kids. See, we got to figure it out. We got to figure it out in this chat. If anything, we got to figure it out in this chat. That's one thing we can hang our hat on. Yeah, exactly. Caregiver trader. Yeah, if anything, other traders are going to laugh at you. They're not going to feel sorry for you. I've been there. I mean, dude, did you listen to the ICT speech I played at the beginning of the stream? The title of that one is called "This is War." I wish I could just easily fast forward to the part where he talks about, do I feel bad for other people when they lose? No. Do I feel bad for other people when I take their money? No. Because I got to eat. You got to eat. This is war. The unfortunate reality of trading. You are a cheetah. All right, guys. Well, we got news in 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Market really is not moving right now. Pretty choppy, slow until probably this news, I'm guessing. Maybe we see some sort of impulsive move like just before. Potentially, we'll see though. Felix, you send a lot of videos in the Discord. I can't keep up. And I never know if I should open. said videos in the Discord because I always feel like there's going to be one that's going to get me in trouble if I open it on stream. This is a setup. The chat is never right. Well, it depends what we're talking about. That statement needs more context. In short, good luck. Like I said, I still feel like this move down could happen below this low, and then we kind of have to see how we respond. I'm not too sold on this bullish SMT holding. So, yeah, we'll have to see how this hourly closes, how this 4-hour closes. But for the moment, 5 minutes till news, 5 minutes till this first 15 close. Starting to finally get this move lower now. Below this low, taking out this bullish SMT. What's chat feeling about this range? Are we going to just see price melt all the way through? Or are we going to see price take out this low here internally and then come for like this trendline liquidity here? What's the consensus in the chat? Oops. I'm kind of liking this idea, if I'm being honest. Something about me still says that there's unfinished business towards like this high from the pump yesterday. Maybe I'm wrong. That's how you guys are feeling too. Well, that's good. Although the chat is really bullish, so maybe it's actually shifted a little bit. 51%. I think everybody just changed their vote. 51% bullish from 62%. Now 37% bearish. Still a little bit tilted to the bull side. It's shifting though a little bit. News in 3.5 minutes, boys and girls. What's up, Hudson? He shoots from the 612 from way downtown. (612) 618. What am I saying? Oh, you said 62. That's what it was. What happened was the good traders came in and started voting. I don't know about that, Manny. I think some people they hold on to their vote until they see what's happening, and then they cast it. It's like they think that the voting isn't anonymous. Although there are some people that come in late. They're tardy to class always, you know. They're always conjugating in the hallway. No wonder why they don't get the gold star. Yeah, we're just waiting, chat. We're just waiting. You're deerish today, Newton. That's fair. What did we decide deerish meant? Deerish is like we're stuck like a deer in the headlights because we don't know what's going to happen? Is that what we decided deerish meant? That actually is a genius analogy. Can you see who voted what? For like who voted for bullish or bearish? How much you risk per trade in evaluation 50K? Aman, it kind of depends on what you want to do. Like, are you full porting the evaluation? Are you just looking to take it slow? Like, treat it like a funded account? It kind of depends. I mean, you're talking to a chat of people that probably full ports CPI, NFP, full port evals like every single month. So it's a trick question. Who has the balls to soup this? Me, pick me. No, I don't have the balls to soup this. I mean, I guess you could, but you have to put your stop like all the way. I feel like you'd want to still cover some space here, but such a big, like this is like how many points is this? 170 points. News incoming in 1 minute. We did tap 618 OTE level. Well, that's the other thing, news as well, yeah. What's up, Sugar Dandy? You're Biden-ish today, you know, just kind of hanging around, not knowing what the fuck is going on. Hey, don't you pick on Biden. Don't you pick on Biden. He gave us some markets that were favorable. Algorithmic, some might even say. I won't take any Biden slander. At this point, I won't take it. I used to be an advocate for such things, but no more. All right, here's news, guys. 9:45. And yeah, otherwise, now we got 10 a.m. medium impact news, but I'm not too concerned about that. To tell you the truth. All right, let's zoom in a little bit now. What do we look like on the one? Like that. Did I see the 2-minute short? I haven't gone down below the 15-minute yet, so no. Five-minute gap. What's up, Crypto Surfer? Good morning, good morning. How we doing, man? You bet the medium impact news will have more impact than the red folder news. Yeah, the red folder news didn't really do much, did it? Did not really do too much. I mean, that's our only red folder for the week, other than unemployment claims on Thursday. If we are going to do another drive down lower, I'd prefer to see this hold. I'd I'd hate to see a scenario where like we inverse this 5-minute gap and then like we still respect like this OB here, and then we see a drive later, and then we get potentially stopped out of like a inducement. That's kind of would be the worst case. Because I do want to try the longs here if we do get some sort of confirmation to the upside off this higher time frame OTE and this pre-London sweep. Yeah, the 5-minute breaker is just like kind of, I mean, it's kind of a big move back up here already. Probably still get decent RR. Like just like this high. You go stop below the breaker. Yeah, still 2.6 R. I guess not too bad. Wick off the 5. See if we get another new low here. I'm gonna delete this fib just to keep our chart cleaner. We're in OTE of the higher time frame range though. Yeah, macro incoming. We're getting the macro, boys and girls. Hope you guys got your laces tied up. She might get sporty. She might get sporty on us. All right, 950. Come on, NQ. Drive a new low here. Did we hit 50% of this leg or no? Pretty, yeah, I guess so. Barely. Kissed it, chat. It is kind of funny though. Watch us all waiting on like some sort of a reversal off of this, and then this thing just melts all the way to the low of the week. You know what I mean? That'd be pretty fitting. Is one trade a day a good idea? If you have a problem with over trading, I would say it is, yeah. I did that at one point. I feel like eventually it felt more beneficial to allow myself to, you know, just lower my size like per individual trade and allow myself, you know, a couple opportunities, because there are times you know, sometimes you just get faked out. Sometimes you get induced into the wrong idea. Sometimes you might have not noticed something right away. And I personally like to give myself the opportunity to make back a loss. You know, without waiting until the next session. So I personally like that, but I mean, if you take like 2 losses in a session, usually that's GG's. You're pretty much just probably not seeing it right. Yeah, we just got a little sweep there above that low. I think, yeah, we got SMT with, did we take it on ES as well? It's close. Didn't take it on Dow. This would be where, like, if we could get the change in the state back up on the 1 minute, I would feel confident with that at this point. In the macro as well. So yeah, I'm thinking I probably won't even take that inversion. I'll probably go for this just to be a little safe. Still got plenty of room here if you're looking for this low resistant run up here at the high end of this range, like 24,500. So even risk reward to like these highs would be fine. Yeah, you can put your stop pretty much all the way towards the low here. So I'll see. I'll take this if we can get this 1 minute shift. If we do get a close on the inversion, I'm just gonna wait. But it's looking good. You can even see like the trend line liquidity building up here on Dow, bottom left. Look at all this. Tell me this ain't gonna get ran through. What do you think? Yeah, I know. I see the equal lows. I'm not in anything yet. This is gonna be my confirmation. Hating the equal lows. Well, maybe they'll get taken out before we confirm entry then. If you get the CISD, this is one of those setups you take 10 out of 10 times, and if it loses, fuck it. Exactly. I agree. You know, we've gotten everything we wanted up to this point, chat, right? We wanted to see that little bit further retracement on NQ to the OTE level on the higher time frame range. We got very clean low resistance liquidity in terms of like a trend line, relative equal highs internally to go target for a good risk reward. We're in the macro, and this would be the confirmation shift on the lower time frames. So, I mean, to me, it's got everything you'd want. And honestly, you probably could take this off the 1 minute inversion. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of up to you. More confirmation with the change in the state, a little bit less with just the inversion, but it all depends how big your cojones are. And yeah, if we don't get nothing, then we just sit here and wait. 10 a.m. incoming in 3 minutes. See how this hour wants to finish. Oh. Well, I guess we wouldn't have to worry about it if we get the change in the state and the inversion in the same candle, huh? All right, there's the inversion. I might honestly change this from a limit to a stop order, honestly. See what we want to do, though, boys. I'm not in yet. I got a buy stop set at 224. I'm just going to front run, I guess, this before the candle closure. I like it, especially if we're going to hold the inversion. To me, it's giving you what you'd want to see anyway. Oh, fuck. Don't do that. That's crazy, though. Did you guys know that if you hold shift and then grab your bracket orders, it moves the entire bracket? I just learned that by accident. All right, guys. Looks like I'm about to get picked up on this. Oh, maybe not. Spoke too soon. Basic knowledge. Listen, you guys got more trading view tricks than I got underwear. Pardon me. Pardon me, I'm not a trading view savant, apparently. It's not my fault, though. They change things every, like, 2 weeks, it seems like. Yeah, getting nice reaction. Even, like, 15 looks great. New hour just opened up here, boys. All right, I'm in. Got a good fill. I'm glad it didn't slip me there. Kind of a quick pop. I am in off of my buy stop being triggered. I want to obviously see this close, right? I am front running the closure by doing a buy stop order. But it's giving good respect off the inversion for now as well. See if this thing can just accelerate higher. It's not very often I use a buy stop order for an entry, boys. I feel like I'm doing something illegal, kind of. All right, I gave the closure anyway. Now the question is, does it retag this? Let's see. If I didn't buy stop it, would I have gotten filled on like a limit here off the, this is a 1 minute breaker now. See what happens, boys. See if we can get some acceleration in this 10 minutes left of the macro. Hey, if the market fucks us, it fucks us, I guess. I mean, shit, I like the setup. I actually would take this trade, I feel like, actually 10 out of 10 times. If it fails, I'm not going to be too mad about it. I'll be a little sad, but that's about it. Watch it just go to 0. Changed your mind for Seek and Destroy? What do you mean? I never said I thought we'd get Seek and Destroy today. I said I thought we were chopping around until the news came out, and then we'd probably see better movement after. I don't know how to feel about this, chat. Everybody in the chat is in agreement that this is a decent setup, so maybe that's not a good sign, but usually we need a little friction to create a fire. Lost 1K today, greed trading. Yeah, we've all been there. We have all been there, haven't we? It's a bad trade if it makes you feel better. Honestly, in some fucking weird way, that does kind of make me feel better. Unless it loses. And then you say, I told you so. Then I get angry. Dow's definitely the leader here. Like, Dow's pumping up pretty easily. If anything, NQ is actually the weakest of the three. That sucks. Look at Dow right now. No issues. Come on, NQ. Dow's like getting ready to pop into this unfilled 15. Above this high here. You think it'll take our stop and then rally up full power? So what you're saying is we wouldn't be wrong, we would just be early? Typical. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, it kind of sucks that NQ's not really moving. It kind of sucks that NQ's not moving. My target is 434, just some internal highs. It's just, it'd be kind of a bummer, dude. We got such a good, like, look at this, bro. This is so smooth. Ain't it? Man. This is so smooth. Smoother than a baby's behind, some might even say. Here we go. Here we go, boys. Now this is what we're talking about. Pappy says the buys look beautiful, but the sell looks better in his opinion. So he's in a sell. Now we're talking. This is what we need in the chat. We need the opposing view. Now we're feeling better. Here we go. Come on. That's right. There was a little bit too much agreeance in the chat with the long. It was kind of throwing me off a little bit. Guys, we all know how this game works. If we all agree on an idea, it's going to fail, right? We are still retail at the end of the day. You know, even though we trade like the banks, I know. But yeah, we're retail AF. All right, so now we got Dow Jones hitting that unfilled 15. I want to see it get ran through. I don't want to see this stop here. Break even for me. Oh, I mean, we could probably start moving stop up a little bit around like midnight. Let's check the 5. Yeah, we are in the weakest of the 3, which is a little unfortunate. I'm not going to lie, but. Got ES trading above this high currently. So we do have SMT here now. We did tap New York midnight. I just like don't want to jam it all the way up to break even and then get tagged. I don't want to lose either though. Hopefully it doesn't make us sweat it too much. I think for right now, guys, mentally, I'm going to leave risk on. And if like we get a 1 minute displacement and a closure back below here, I'll probably kill the trade. For a small loss. But I'm going to let it ride. For now. Bought a $1 funded account. Congrats. Good luck. The buys look, yeah, everybody, let's keep that energy going. The buys look terrible. Definitely wouldn't be in longs right now. Don't want to do that. That sounds god awful. Somebody say their TP is my stop loss. That's what we need, I think. I'm just kind of jealous of Dow Jones. I wish we were in that instead. Or ES, either one of them, to be honest. Oh god. So yeah, guys, if you're just tuning in, I left my stop where it is. I'm just leaving it some room to breathe so I don't get like tagged out. But if we do close below this red line on the 1 minute, I will kill the trade. It'll be a small little loss at that point, but I'm willing to risk it. Wish we were in gold. What's gold doing? How do you set up your LR? It's just trendline liquidity. I draw a trend line. Right now, the trend line is printing for shorts. On NQ, at least. Watch this do the gayest thing ever. Run out this hourly low on NQ for 10 o'clock, and then 11 o'clock is like the real move. NASDAQ is literally so homosexual. I fucking hate it. NASDAQ likes men. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to kill this thing. I'm letting the close. Watch it just nuke all the way to my stop anyway. So gay. Told you, boys. Too many people like the longs. It's too good to be true. I'm gonna go stop. I'm just gonna move my stop to this wick low that it just printed. I kind of like that close on this inversion. I'm still in it. Still in it. Stop is now 176. Back at entry. I'm a pain in the ass, dude. But yeah, the reason I didn't just close out, we already took on this much drawdown anyway. So that'll just be my new stop in case this holds. I just, like I said, I don't want to like abandon the idea and then I'm sitting here regretting it in 5 minutes because we're ripping back up. I'll accept this little bit of risk. If we're wrong, we're wrong. We'll just wait till later, but I did like this close, respecting 50% of this inversion. So risk now is 48 points on 3 micros. Yeah. Let me know if what you guys are in or what you're holding. If you guys are in ES, I guess, or Dow instead of NQ, it's possible you went break even because we did take out these highs. And like I said, this might come down to a timing issue at this point. I don't know. $10.18. How do we enter a trade and this is what we get? Never wrong, just early, Scott. Yeah, you know the vibes. You know the drill. Well, we might still not be wrong. We'll see. I did move my stop up just because I don't want to see us get back below here. I'm also just kind of viewing this as like a premium and discount range, right? So like we retraced below 50% again. So like if we're gonna hold, we're gonna do it here, in my opinion. Like I don't see any more reason for us to go here unless we're actually just gonna go to this low here. In that case, then we're, yeah. Then we're fucked. Silver Bullet Hour. We need you, man. We need you, Silver Bullet Hour. We don't ask for much, Silver Bullet Hour, but we just ask that at least one day every month you give us a decent candle. Just what, you know what I mean? Just one a month. Like, we're not even asking for too much. Yeah, we are holding this gap. Oh, God. Holding this gap. If we can get above that, I feel pretty decent. If we just chop all the way till the end of Silver Bullet Hour, so help me God. $10.20, boys. All right, we need a $10.20 pump. The old infamous $10.20 macro pump. And I said pump, not dump. Come on, 1020. 1021. Come on. Hit me. Hit me. Double down. Dealer showing a bus card. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing, Palenque. I was like, maybe that's not the right one to... Maybe I shouldn't say that. I'll stay. I'll stay. Dealer gets blackjack. Oh, come on. Let's go. Oh, my God. All right, 1022 pump. Let's go. No, the magnet doesn't work. The magnet has literally never worked. I thought we've covered that. If anything, I should put the magnet below. That'll be the first time it works, though. Yeah, boys. Like I said, I was gonna feel good if we got above this gap, but now, I mean, probably getting stopped here. Silver Bullet can actually blow me. Yeah, I would love it if it hit my stop. I would love it if it hit my stop loss, please. Oh my God, it's working. All right, boys. We're accepting our fate, man. Either we're going to get a small stop out here at 176 or she'll somehow hold here, but looking like a dud 10 a.m. candle again. Fun stuff. Yeah, dude, trendline shorts printing. Come on. Tory trades better be breaded after this. Something tells me that this is like, we're just going to see an SMT at the low form with NQ, and like ES and Dow Jones aren't even going to get to that low. I don't know. It's just a feeling I have at this point. Why are we not in Dow Jones, chat? Can somebody tell me why we're not in this? Oh my God. We never would have been even in drawdown. Never would have pulled back to break even. All right, we're coming back to break even now. Can we just get one day where the market like doesn't do this to us? I feel like I'm in an abusive relationship. NQ, what is your problem? I feel like I'm on the new season of Bachelorette, and they didn't cancel the chick that is abusive, and I won, and now I'm getting stools thrown at me. Secretly like the abuse. Honestly, that might be a real thing. All right, we're back in Jesus. All right, Dow Jones moonshotting. I'm not break even on this trade until we trade to a new high here. Oh. We're not dead yet. Dealer showing a 10 and you have a 12, you're probably staying, to be honest. What? Why would I stay? Worst BJ player ever? Especially after some beers. Listen, if you're playing blackjack sober, you're doing it wrong. If you're playing blackjack sober, you ain't sitting by me. Fuck you. Go sit at the fucking little kids table, bitch. You know what I mean? Go to the fucking McDonald's play place if you want to be a little bitch. Yeah, buddy, McDonald's was fucking 2 blocks that way. Oh, well, chat, what's it going to be? We're clearly in the wrong asset, I'll tell you that much. Oh. Just a tease, huh? Just a tease, huh? Typical. We're manipulating time. All right, 10:30, guys. We're manipulating time right now. It'd be sure nice if it didn't want to manipulate my stop loss, but... Macro over, but Hope's still alive. Hope is hanging by a thread. Living and dying with every up close and every down close candle right now. My confidence right now, not high. But it's not nothing. Why did you take this trade? Higher time frame pullback to OT of the higher time frame range. SMT at this low. 1 minute change in the state. Low resistance liquidity run. We did take out this high on ES and Dow Jones, creating a bearish SMT against the trade. I did not go break even because I wanted to give it some room to breathe. So yeah, I'm still in it. But yeah, we've been in this trade since 10 o'clock. 30 minutes. And we're basically right at entry, just below entry. And yeah, man, at this point, it's like, as more time goes on, you know, do we see, like, get us into the next hour? And then, like, at that point, I don't like this trade because we didn't take out the previous hourly low on anything, bro. ES and Dow Jones traded above previous hourly high. NQ did not. So there is a bear. That's the bearish SMT here. We're just in the weakest asset. I mean, that's really all I can say. NQ is the weakest of the three, unfortunately. But like I said, it's a setup that I would take. I mean, I would take the setup every single time. I can't control this. The only thing would be, obviously, if I get stopped out here, I'll probably wish that I went break even after this New York midnight tag and SMT. But I mean, trying to stay with the higher time frame narrative and not let the 1 minute dictate what I do too much. It's a fine line, chat. It's a fine line. Sometimes it gets you. One more IFEG. Yeah, maybe the 5th IFEG will be the one. One of them's got to work, right? Oh. I don't know what it's about to do, but I have a feeling of whenever it makes up its mind, it's just going to go in like one candle. We'll either be stopped out or break even in like 2 minutes. God, I wish we were in Dow Jones. Son of a gun. Dow Jones is still pushing new highs as we speak. Come on, NQ. Get your head out of your ass. There's people here with children. These got kids to feed in this chat. Come on. Don't you want the kids to eat, you sick son of a bitch? You're sick bastard, NQ. Let the children eat. There's kids that are going to go hungry if you don't figure your shit out. And I won't stand for it. I won't stand for it. You know it's a good trade when you have to keep extending your drawings more and more to the right because you're just sitting in shop. NQ doesn't care, I know. NQ is a sick, twisted son of a bitch. Here she blows. Should we just go trade USD JPY instead? Why don't you take trade in ES? Wow, thanks for the genius question. Why is the fucking sky blue? I don't fucking know. Tyler, why didn't you buy Bitcoin in 2008? I don't know, because I was picking my nose in recess. Tyler, why did you wear a blue shirt today? Sorry, I'm coping. I'm coping with the madness. All right, guys, this trade has officially gone into hopes and dreams territory for me. And we all know how that strategy works. Here's my prediction. We're going to get stopped out here. And then we're going to put in an SMT at this low with NQ. And then we're going to go like the 11 o'clock hour or some shit. That's my prediction. But I hope I'm wrong. I hope I'm wrong and God saves us. God giving us a lesson. I think the only lesson would be just go break even here on this trade, or don't take the weakest asset. Well, it's the same trendline liquidity really on all three assets to the upside for those internal highs. So my target's pretty much the same. So I don't know, like Dow Jones, you're probably looking like 46,650, we'll call it. What's up, Devin? Devin, can you make this thing go up? We've been sitting in chop for 40 minutes. I stubbornly didn't go break even. I did trim the risk a little bit, but son of a gun, dude. This is not what the doctor ordered. No, I'm not getting out. This has to at least stop me out here, because if I get out here, this is going to pump. I just know it. If I get out early, if it's still holding, you know what I mean? If I bitch out, I just know what it's going to do. It's just going to go straight to TP. Trump will say the war's over, and then we'll go straight here in like 2 seconds. You caught Dow and just, oh man. Yeah, I've been sitting here all morning, Devin, wishing I was in Dow instead of NASDAQ. Oh, yay. Maybe there's just too many people trading NQ these days. Yeah, I still don't feel great about it. I really don't like that we're just accumulating more lows here. I mean, it's getting, like I said, it's already entered hopes and dreams territory for me on this position, but hopefully not over managing it will do me a favor. One way or another, it's going to break out. I guess that's true. One way or another. Come on, NASDAQ. I feel like I can't even encourage it anymore. I feel like every time I do, it just gets angry and goes the other way.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
ES did just run out these highs that it generated. Oh, bro, I don't want to overmanage it, but fuck, dude. Should I just cut this thing? Ah! I mean, holy shit. For the love of all things holy. Oh. Fuck this, bro. I'm going break even. I can't take this anymore. I'm seeing ES wick off this high. I'm worried that this new macro comes in and we rip lower. I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't fuck me. I'm just going to go break even, and there we go. I'm stop break even. I'm over it, chat. 45 minutes of bullshit. We keep forming bearish SMT with Dow and ES. I don't like these lows that are built up here. And if this just rallies off of that, then honestly, I just played myself, I guess, but my goodness. I'm out break even. Hopefully I did the right thing. I'm thinking to myself that timing is a big factor now. And that if we're going to see a run lower, it could happen in the macro here. I don't know. But we'll see. I gave it a good 45 minutes, though. What more can I do here? What more does this market want from me? Please don't pump. Please don't pump to fucking Kingdom Come now. I'm fucking killing myself, dude. What the fuck? I can't do this right now. This is unbelievable. Whatever. Whatever. I can't say I don't care. I do care. But, man, at some point, man. We'll see here. It's 10:47. Macro begins in a couple of minutes. NQ is a dirty dog. Yeah, send me some good rope. I'm gonna reinforce my light fixtures while I wait. No, it'll be all right. Worst case scenario, maybe I have to rejoin it up here, but best case scenario, this is hard not to get emotional when you immediately get break even tagged here after holding it that long, and then it like immediately rips. Like, it's hard not to feel victimized at that point, but best case scenario is I'm right. This does push lower. I save myself that little bit of a loss, and then we can get a new setup in a new hour, but that's best case scenario. The 1 minute chart, man. Fuck. The ICT Jewish model? I think I was just trading it. Unknowingly. Yeah, I'm out, guys. I got tagged out break even. Profit $1.80. Rich AF breaded. I'm gonna look for a I'm gonna look to replay this though. I want to see us get into the macro, maybe get into 11 o'clock. I am looking to replay this. I am still bullish. Just a matter of if we get this, we get another manipulation potentially first. Is what I'm kind of anticipating. Silver bullet hour, right, chap? Son of a gun. Come on, there we go. No need to send the rope, Kevin. No need to send the rope, Kevin. As long as I'm right, there's no need to send the rope. Keep that rope there until a later date. Here we go. Come on. Make me look like a genius. Thank you. Validate all my decisions. Make me feel warm and fuzzy inside. Ooga booga markets? Ooga booga. See, now we can feel good. Now we can feel good, right? Everybody take a deep breath. Oh, what meme do we want now?
That is called Bidenomics. That is called Bidenomics, and we are very proud of Bidenomics.
Doing?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
Oh, make you want to kick a fat kid at Kmart. You know what I'm saying?
Why? Mr. Market, why?
Bro, what are we doing? This is insane. Never mind, it held. Dude, I can't do this. Macro comes in and we just fucking pump to the moon? Are you joking my ass? Yeah, let's go to TP in 2 minutes, please. Now that we've held for 45 minutes, get stop break even. Yeah, 2 minutes later, go to TP. Thanks. What are we doing? Unreal. Unfucking believable, actually. Wow. What are we doing? This is bullshit. Market's wrong. I'm right. So crazy. Arvis, thanks for playing. I'm gonna see you never. You're banned from the channel, pussy. Oh, that felt good. All right, boys. Now it's decision time. We got to see what we want to do here. If this is gonna hold and push for higher, I don't know. I'm interested in replaying it, but damn, bro, can't make this stuff up. Like, come on, bro. Like, this is ridiculous. How are we going to generate all this and then just leave it? Why are you emotional? Look at the market. Listen, I'm allowed to be emotional. I'm just not allowed to start revenge trading based off the emotion. You can be emotional. What, are you supposed to be, a fucking narcissistic sociopath robot? Let me be emotional. Shut up. Oh, retweet. Yeah, boys, I'm still waiting. I'm interested in replaying longs, but I'm trying to figure out how. I mean, see if it runs back through this or not. Or potentially we close above here, and then this is our re-entry. And we got highs up here. Hang on. Hand over the trigger. I just want to make sure this doesn't just immediately reverse. Okay, I'm going to try this. I'm going to go stop here. Rejoining the longs. If you're unsure, then why trade? I'm bullish, dude. What the fuck are you talking about? I don't know how else to put that. I entered on this OB here off this fair value gap tag. And we ran out. All right, sweet. Stopped out. Minus 390. All right. Yeah, it might be time to call it a morning. Might be time to call it a morning, chat. I'm getting angry. That's annoying. There we go. Son of a bitch. That's what I was trying to avoid here, but no cigar. Holy shit. Yeah, boys, I'm not gonna lie. This just kind of ain't it, is it? This 10 a.m. candle is absolutely horrid. At least Dow Jones looks good. That's nice. Goodness gracious, man. Got wicked out, break even on that one, TR. Yeah. I got wicked out, stop loss. Man. I don't know. I'm going to watch this for a little bit. I'm going to hang out and see what it wants to do. Obviously, it's going to be really frustrating if this thing does now start grinding higher. But yeah, dude, I don't know. 2 attempts on the long. First one we held for 45 minutes, break even. Retried it here in the macro as we kind of started spooling up. I was kind of more so anticipating 10 a.m. to close pretty strong after that. And then we get this big wick down. 11 a.m. opens up here. I don't know. I just can't keep replaying this. I feel like it'll just be not good for me. Try to exhibit some self-control, but yeah, pretty frustrating morning, I'm not gonna lie. And that's what's funny is I still think this move ultimately plays out. Like, here's the 15. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, I still favor this move. You know, we're getting it on ES. We're getting it on Dow Jones especially. You know, it's like NQ is just lagging behind terribly. So I don't know. I still think this plays out, honestly, but it's just delivering like garbage. You know. Yeah, it wasn't 2 losses at least. I mean, it was a 1 loss and 1 break even, but it kind of sucks to, like, if this plays out, like, to be totally right on your bias and then still be red on the day. It always kind of sucks. You know? Like, I don't feel like I was wrong today. Guess it don't matter though. Looks like short. I don't think it looks like a short. I guess moral victories. It never looked like a short to me. So, I think this still plays out. It's just wicky. Like these are 5-minute candles. Look at these big wicks, both sides. Well, I don't know. We gave it our best shot here. Who was I forget who in the chat was that? Z Trades. We still haven't gotten that 5-minute breaker, by the way. 5-minute breaker would be here. Oh, you don't trade past 11Z? I see. I see. Well, I don't adhere to such rules. We are all 15-second trade. I don't know about that. I'm not sure about that one. In premium too? I don't know, but what do you gotta say about this? What do you gotta say about this premium? Looks discounted to me. Yeah, the right decision today, boys, might have just been set your stop at the low and never touch it for however many hours this takes. Goodness. I'm trying to stall here because I don't want to like end the stream and then I'm looking to like replay this without you boys and girls. That'd be kind of shitty, but I mean, yeah, it's definitely taking its sweet old time here. I think we get it though. Call me stubborn, but I think we get this play. Intraday trailing drawdown accounts are tough, but I would just say only take low-hanging fruit targets. Risk reward is not your main priority if you're working with intraday accounts. So that'd be my advice. And I mean, that'll probably help you a lot. So you won't have to really worry about trailing too much, but low-hanging fruit targets, lower RR. Stay till lunch. Time was at 11. I mean, I'm half-ass tempted to just sit and take this on a 5 or a 15-minute time frame and just let it play out. I was kind of waiting to see if we get this 5-minute breaker confirmation first. Yeah, I don't know, boys. To me, it just seems like this is the play. We're just so slow. You've been in for over an hour now? Yeah. My original position was 10 o'clock. Obviously, hindsight's 2020. I would have got stop break even because I would have went break even above this high. That was my plan if I held that first trade. So this would have break even to me here. Like, it's just making it so difficult to do anything with this, right? It's really hunting for people. We took the exact same trade, yeah. I mean, yeah, the original stop idea didn't get tagged. Even my trailed stop up to here didn't get tagged, which is crazy. Wait, what's going on? Is Rahul... Oh, Rahul says, just buy low and sell high. How hard can it be? So true. Yeah, the only problem about buying low is when it goes lower, and when you sell high, it goes higher. Yeah, just buy low, sell high. Oh. It's actually genius when you think about it. I keep bouncing around the time frames like they're changing rapidly, and they're not, obviously. Here's the current 4-hour. Only works when stop loss is the size of Mount Everest. Yeah, I don't know. I very well may just enter this 5-minute breaker with we'll see what the size would be. And like just let it run to these external highs, and you know, if we see, like, obviously Dow Jones will probably beat, not to these highs, but like I'm thinking like even that high from yesterday from the pump pre-market, like that's the main draw, by the way, right? These internal highs were just kind of more low-hanging fruit. The main draw is really that external high, which is all the way all the way up here. 763. You know, if you're just framing internal to external. All right. These wicks are making it challenging, though. It just looks ugly. But yeah, this would be kind of what the position would look like. stop below these sequence of up-close candles that form the breaker. Oh, no. Oh, no. I accidentally deleted it. I meant to hit limit. Yeah, guys, I might just set this, and this will be a while. I don't think I'm going to stay on stream for this whole thing. Let's see if we get picked up here, or if this just runs. See if we get picked up. Yeah, I'm going to let this play, though. Let's see if we get triggered. Otherwise, I'm probably going to end stream. My dog is staring at me like he needs to go pee-pee and poo-poo. And then I'm just going to see if this plays out, to be honest. Hopefully it picks me up here. Watch it just rip now. We've had SMT all morning long, bro. Fuck SMT. SMT is so gay. It's literally the worst confluence you could ever ask for. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, I'm not worried about it. Oh, really? Come on. I want to at least show the fill. Show me getting filled at least. Or not. This is so fitting, bro. Let's look at the executions from this morning. 2 longs. Oh. Yeah, I guess my stop loss here just wasn't big enough, huh, chat? This market, dude. Wow. Are you kidding me? All right, well, here's my game plan, chat. I'm going to keep the limit on until we start ripping, like, all the way up here. Like, once we're up here, then it's gone, I would say. But I'm going to keep the limit on. I'm going to call it quits on the stream. I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord and on X on what happens. If you guys are still holding from the original trade down here this morning, then good luck. I hope I get picked up and I can join you. But yeah. Interesting morning. No, hang on. Do we get filled? I do really have to get off stream here though. I got like I'm stretching. I got like 3 minutes max. Let's see the fill at least. Let's see the fill. So you guys know that I'm in it at least. I ain't capping. Come on. This market is aging me, man. This market's a walking cortisol spike. All right, well, I wanted to get the fill on stream here, but I'm going to leave the limit on, guys. Like I said, I'm going to keep you updated if I do anything else differently. My plan is if we start trading like up here and like above 400 probably, I'll probably just kill it. I'll kill the limit. I'll consider it missed, which would be really unfortunate considering this is the exact move I wanted today, but it is what it is. Nothing I can do about it now. All right. I'll keep you guys updated. X, Discord, the works. This is the idea, though, for now, boys. We'll see if I get picked up off stream. Appreciate you guys being here. Hit the like button before you go. And if you want to get funded with Apex, TRADEIFY, or LUCID, or My Fund of Futures, code Tyler. Appreciate you, boys and girls, as always. And I'll be back live tomorrow morning. Let's see, tomorrow, what do we got? Nothing? Yeah, nothing. Tomorrow morning, no news. So I'll be back live tomorrow morning, guys. Same time, same place, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And, yeah, if I get filled on this, wish me good luck. Peace and love, chat. We'll see you tomorrow.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler Trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Charts on my playground, never asking why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trade lots now, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trader age, every single day. Trendline snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.